Alright, in Photoshop, I have opened this Halloween background, as well as this PS image that I'd like to place inside the pumpkin. Okay, let's begin by making sure the background layer is selected, and then select the Object Selection tool from the toolbar. Now simply drag over the object in your background and Photoshop will automatically select it. Okay, this did a pretty good job, but it selected the inside of the pumpkin, which I don't want to deselect part of our object. Let's right-click on the Object Selection tool and select the Quick Selection tool, which is going to give us more accuracy. Then, while holding down the Alt key on your keyboard, go over the part that you'd like to remove, and of course, to re-add something, just drag over it without holding down Alt. Once you're happy with the selection, right-click it and select Layer via Copy. Keep in mind that Layer via Copy will only show during the right-click. If you have the Selection tool, select it. Okay, moving on. We're just going to drag the layer we just created above our object's image layer. Now all that's left to do is to reselect your object layer and use a Move tool to position your object behind its background. Alright, that looks good. So that's it for this story. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.